take a deep breath. If money has been causing you stress, if you feel behind, if you feel like no matter how much you earn, it's never enough, this video is for you. Welcome to the Wealth Gate. This channel is not about getting rich quickly. It's not about hype, shortcuts, or showing off. It's about calm, control, and building a stable financial life, one step at a time. Today, we'll talk about the first gate to wealth. And it's not income, it's not investing, it's not side hustles, it's control. Most people believe one thing: if I made more money, my problems would disappear. It sounds reasonable, but it's rarely true. Many people earn more and still feel stressed, still feel behind, still live paycheck to paycheck. Why? Because wealth does not begin with money. It begins with behavior. Income matters, but behavior matters more. The Stoics understood this long before modern finance existed. They believed that peace comes from controlling what you can and letting go of what you can't. Income is often outside your full control, but your habits are not, and habits shape outcomes. There is a Stoic idea that fits money perfectly. We suffer more in imagination than in reality. Most financial stress doesn't come from today's bills. It comes from uncertainty. Not knowing where your money goes. Not knowing what happens if something breaks. Not knowing whether you're moving forward or backward. Control removes uncertainty, and removing uncertainty reduces fear. Control does not mean perfection. It does not mean tracking every cent forever. It does not mean never enjoying your life. Control means three simple things. You know what comes in, you know what goes out, and nothing surprises you. That's it. Most people avoid this step because they're afraid of what they'll see. But avoiding the truth doesn't protect you. Clarity does. Here is your first practical step. For 1 month, just observe. Do not judge. Do not optimize. Do not restrict. Simply track. Every dollar that comes in, every dollar that goes out. Rent, food, subscriptions, small purchases. This is not about guilt. It's about awareness. A Stoic does not lie to themselves. They observe reality calmly. When you see clearly, panic fades. Surprises create stress. A forgotten subscription. An annual bill you didn't plan for. A repair that feels like a crisis. Your goal is not to eliminate expenses, it's to eliminate surprise. Make a simple list: monthly fixed costs, irregular but predictable costs, and true emergencies. When something is expected, it loses its power over you. This is control. This step is small, but powerful. You don't need 6 months of savings yet. You don't need perfection. You need space. Even a small buffer changes how your mind works. $500. $1,000. Whatever is realistic for you. This is not wealth. This is safety. The Stoics valued security over excess because security brings peace, and peace allows better decisions. Many people rush ahead. They want to invest. They want passive income. They want financial freedom. But freedom without control is fragile. If you don't control your money now, more money will only move faster through your hands. The first gate must be passed slowly. There is no shame in this stage, only strength. Here is a better way to think about progress. You are not behind. You are early in the process. Wealth is not a finish line. It's a system, and systems are built calmly, patiently, deliberately. That is the Stoic way. In future videos, we'll talk about how to deal with debt without panic, how to build simple systems that run quietly, how to define financial freedom realistically. But none of that matters until this first gate is passed. Control first, growth later. If this video helped you feel a little more grounded, a little more capable, you're in the right place. This is the Wealth Gate, and you don't rush through a gate. You pass through it when you're ready. If you'd like to continue this journey, you can subscribe. No pressure, no urgency, just calm progress. I'll see you in the next video.